Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name's Jen and I am a self-taught nail enthusiast. And in today's video, I am going to be reviewing / giving you my first impression of the MelodySusie ATENA Cordless nail drill. This was sent to me as PR, as I am an affiliate of theirs. I can't wait to try this thing out. It's so beautiful and looks really, really amazing to use. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so like I mentioned, they did send me this drill, which I was so surprised. I had no idea they were sending this to me. Like, we had just talked about doing another video together, but I didn't know what they were going to send me. So I am very excited. I did already open this box because you have to charge it. It is a rechargeable and cordless nail drill, and it has 28,000 RPM. So it's very sleek. It does come in 3 different colors, which is this beautiful white and then a gold and a purple like chrome color, which honestly is my favorite. It's quite beautiful. So I did go ahead, I read through the instructions, I charged it, and I went online and kind of did some more research about this. So currently this is $38.69 on their website. It is on sale right now, but you can also get an additional 12% off if you use my code LNBGEN on their website. So I will have everything linked down below, as well as the link to their website and the code and everything that you need. My code is site-wide, so you can use it on anything else. I believe they are having their Black Friday sale right now, so a lot of things are marked down, especially their nail drills. Now this is a newer nail drill from what I understand, and it comes with 6 of these drill bits, including your mandrel bit. Most of these are like cuticle bits and like cleanup bits, and then it comes with 26 of what looks like fine sanding bands. So that's what I'll be working with today, because I'm actually going to be taking off this nail set. I already lost a nail and I have a couple lifting, because when I have long nails I don't know what I'm doing and I bang them on stuff, I smash them and things. It's just not pretty, so I'm kind of going to take a break from like the super long nails for a while. They also include this ceramic bit, which I think I already have one of these because I did buy their ceramic bit collection. Now included in the box is also this coupon for their nail drill accessories, and I purchased their ceramic bit kit last time. This one on the left that came with, yeah, I knew I had one of these. It's not up on my other drill. I actually own another MelodySusie drill. It's this one right here, and you can like store your bits on top. So I already love that drill bit, and I'm sure that I'm gonna like this. So like I said, I went ahead, I read some of like the safety precautions and instructions and all that jazz. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna start taking my nails off. So while I'm just kind of shortening them, I will just tell you a little bit more about this drill bit and some of the claims that they make. They claim that it is a low heat and low vibration nail drill. It has adjustable speeds and adjustable directions. Now I'm a little bit confused on the adjustable speed part, because it adjusts in a speed range. So like your low speed, no load, which I don't really know what that means as far as like no load or load. It goes from 20,000 to 24,000 to 28,000 RPMs. And then the load goes from 17,000 to 21,000 to 25,000. Now, if someone can please explain to me in the comments what that means. What I'm assuming is that depending on how much pressure and what you're using the drill for, it like automatically adjust within that range. I hope that's correct, but I'm not really sure. So the reason why I like personally use their ceramic bits is because there are some comments on Amazon, not on their website. Their website has like a 5-star rating, but on Amazon it says that these drills have a tendency to overheat and that you're better off using a ceramic bit than you are using the metal bits. Now I've never had an issue with my other drill like overheating or anything like that, but I do use mostly ceramic bits. Most of the time I use this safety bit right here. I love it. It's a little stained, but it works great, especially around the cuticle area. Today, I'm just going to use this fine sanding band, and I might move to that ceramic band later on. we'll see how well it's doing. So in order to change your bits, you just move it clockwise to the unlock position. You put your bit in and then you move it counterclockwise back over to lock. And for this, it's just like a pressure load for the mandrel bit. You just slide it on and it will stay on. It apparently takes an hour to 2 hours to charge. I charged it for about an hour. It says that you must fully charge it before you use it for the first time and not to overcharge, because like phones and things like that, if you overcharge the items, the battery has a tendency to like not work anymore or to lessen over time. It says it lasts up to 4 hours, obviously depending on what you're doing. Now there are different packages on their website. I'll put some pictures on the screen so you can see. This is just like the beginner basic package that you can get, and then there's other ones that come with nail lights. I think they're duster, like their dust collector, and like a lot of other things. So they've got some pretty nice stuff going on. So you just hold down this power button for a couple seconds and it turns on, and then I'm just gonna adjust the speed to the low speed. I don't know if it's going forward or reverse, so I'm about to find out. Okay, I think this is good for me. So I just kind of it might be a little low actually, so I might put it up one more speed. So I'm just gonna remove all of this stuff. Oh yeah, so I just have gel polish on some gel nails, so that's why I just decided to use the mandrel bit. I don't need anything crazy, but it is working quite nicely, I have to say. It's taking this polish off very easily. I don't notice a lot of vibration. I do feel a little bit of heat, but nothing out of the ordinary. It's working really nice. And the speed, I thought the speed was going to be a little too fast for me, but it's not that bad. I'm not having a hard time controlling this at all. It's a very nice, sleek design. It fits in my hand really well. The other drill is a little larger, so I have a tendency to hold it like very far down, but I like it so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and just remove all of my nails, and I'll kind of pop in and out if I have anything to report on or anything to say, all right? I did get a little heat spike there, but again, I am new to using the drills, so, you know, it could just be me. It is getting pretty hot, I have to say. It's not burning me, but the bit, I kind of felt it on my finger just now, and it's very warm. I kind of want to see how it would work with one of the safety bits, and I'm going to use it on this finger because I have some hard gel on there. But overall, it's really nice. It's nicely weighted from tip to end. Like, I don't feel like it's too heavy in my hand. It feels like really nice actually, and I don't feel like I'm having a hard time like controlling it at all. Sometimes even with my other drill, I have a difficult time sometimes when I'm using like higher speeds where the drill like jumps, and I don't really use it that high, so that's why I was a little worried that I wasn't going to be able to use this because of like the ranges that it goes from. Like, I wasn't sure how that was gonna work, if like the low was going to be too high, because some people did say that on Amazon that the low speed was just way too fast for them and they weren't able to use it. I think it just depends on the person and how experienced you are. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this off. The only thing that bugs me about this is that when you turn it on, it turns on immediately. I wish that you could turn it on and then like turn on the speed. I also think it would have been cool to come in like a little carrier case, like a little like velvet like sachet or something, so that you could travel with it, because it is supposed to be like a travel friendly drill. I'm just dusting you off. Beep, beep, beep. I'm just gonna clean up some of this dust, and then I want to switch to my ceramic bit. That thing is great, but I do need a dust collector. I was looking on their website and they had one that I was thinking of getting, so we'll see, maybe in the near future. So I'm gonna switch this baby out. It's a little stiff right now when you go to take the bits out, so just bear that in mind. Okay, I'm gonna use this guy. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this back on, and I'm gonna get to work on this one. I want to see how easily it takes it off. I'm having a little bit more like jumpiness on this finger. All right, I need to put on a mask. I should have had one on before. I should have been wearing one. Anytime you're filing, you should wear a mask just because of the dust in the air. Even if you're using a dust collector, you should be wearing a mask. It's not good to be breathing this stuff in. And normally I do wear one. I was just distracted. So, all right, here we go. I'm kind of scared to turn it all the way up because I've never used my drill that high before. So I know it's kind of stopping. It might not be up high enough to take this nail off, but I don't know if I'm ready to go that high yet. I never go that high. I literally probably only go to about 5,000 max on my normal drill. I don't notice as much heat with this as I did with the other one. So I definitely do think invest in a good ceramic safety bits. They sell them on their website. They have kits that you can purchase with my code, or if you do purchase something else from them, you usually get a 20% off code for the bit kits that you can purchase, and you get like 5 or 6 of them, I think, and I use about 3 or 4 that came in the kit that I purchased. Starting to heat up now, but again, I was kind of staying in the same place for a while. I'm liking it so far. Honestly, it feels very comfortable. I like the fact that it's cordless. It doesn't get in the way. Sometimes I get like tangled in the cord, which I don't like, so. Alright, I am basically now down to the false nail, which is where I always kind of drill down to, and then I just soak my nails off at this point. So I don't try to get any closer to the natural nail because for me, I'm not experienced enough to do that. So I will drill down to my gel nail, then I will just use the soak off method at that point. Now, I want to try one on my left hand because I'm not that good at my left hand. Start with the thumb because I found the thumb a little easier. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. I am actually having a very easy time on my, I always have a difficult time using my left hand. It's not my dominant hand. So if you see me struggling, that's why. But basically, I'm just going to continue on at this point, taking the nail polish off, and I will soak my nails off, and then I'll come back and kind of show you the sort of cuticle work that I would do to finish off like removing my nails and getting ready for a new set. All right. Okay guys, so I started doing my cuticle work and I was like, you know what, instead of finishing it, how about we just kind of show you what I'm working with here. So I just have one of the like varying cuticle bits that I use to just finish up my cuticles. This is how I like to do them. I will snip a little bit if there's like some pokey bits sticking out, but I like to use one of these bits. So couple things that I noticed so far. I love the way this feels in my hand. It works really well on the low and medium speed. However, unless you are very experienced, do not put this thing on high, because I did, and I burned the holy heckin' bob out of my ring finger over here, and it hurt so bad, so much worse than like curing gel polish. So just keep that in mind. Fair warning, like I wouldn't even put it on high. I still don't quite understand what like the ranges are, but the low and medium seem to work well for me. I didn't have too much trouble. Even on the left hand, I think I did pretty good. So I'm gonna try a cuticle bit and see if this thing heats up, because I was mostly using my safety bit the whole time. I did notice that it gets warm, but it's not any hotter than my other drill. I just tried not to stay like in one place too long and that kind of stuff that I normally would do. So I didn't have any issues with it like burning me, other than when I got cocky and tried to put it on high. So I'm gonna use this one and see how it goes. Again, a couple things I wish was that I wish there was like a charging thing on the side. The reason for that is because they tell you not to charge it too much, but you don't know how much is charged. So like, how are you not supposed to overcharge it? I don't know. I know it's kind of like inexpensive nail drill as far as nail drills go, but I do wish that it had a couple extra features. One being that it didn't turn on immediately, and 2 being that I could see if it was fully charged yet. I will say I have definitely gotten better, but I am nowhere near an expert in using one of these e-files. Like, this is all an opinion here. I'm not a professional. I'm not an expert with an e-file. You can even watch some of my older videos where I used a like very cheap version of an e-file, and it was awful and I was terrible at it. I definitely think I've gotten better. However, I do think that, you know, they give you a lot of instruction and a lot of warnings in their little instruction booklet on how to be safe with this e-file. Now, my suggestion would be also to go ahead and get some of the ceramic bits if you're worried about overheating and that sort of thing, because I do think they heat up less than the metal one. Like, I did notice the mandrel bit was definitely getting warm. Like I said, I didn't really have too many issues with my safety bit, but had I been using something stronger, I think I could have probably like cut myself pretty bad. Overall, I think this is a pretty sleek little instrument and quite nice in the hand. Like, it feels nice, the grip is nice on it. I love the color. I love that it's cordless. That's probably my favorite part as far as this goes. You can pretty much fit most, if not all, nail bits in here. I like the MelodySusie ones. Those are the ones that I buy just because that's the drill that I have on hand. So I'll probably just continue to purchase their nail bits. But like I said, anytime you purchase something from them, you get a coupon code anyways, and you can always use mine as well. So I think that pretty much sums up the entirety of this video. I am really happy with this. Again, be safe. Like, these are not a toy. So if you get hurt, like, I can't say that you can always blame the drill for it, because like I said, I cranked this thing up on high because I was like, ooh, I'm doing pretty good on medium. Let me see how high is. And within seconds, I burned myself. I don't blame the drill for that. That was totally my fault. I'm way too inexperienced to do such a thing. So anyways, I'm moving on from that. I actually really like this. I enjoyed it, and I might be swapping out my desk drill for this one. It's super easy. It's super slender. I can put it in one of my drawers so it doesn't take up room on my desk, which I really like. I guess that brings us to the end of this video. I once again would like to thank you all for watching, and please go check out my social media. That's Luxe Nails by Jen on Instagram, Twitter, and now TikTok. I will be trying to post more videos there, but mostly Instagram is, you know, my favorite page. And you can also check out my website, which shows you all of the things that you need to start your nail journey if you're just getting into things. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. We are trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and that means a giveaway. And that also means that you need to be interacting with my channel and my social media. I'll be mostly checking Instagram for things like that. So go there, follow me, make sure you're commenting on photos, liking photos, that kind of stuff. The more I see you, the more chances you have at winning the giveaway. Make sure you like this video, give it a big ol' thumbs up, and hit that bell notification button so you never miss a mani with me. Bye guys!